Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha 1 Hello Neighbor. Many players want to experience this early build, and I'm here to help you do it easily. We'll walk through a straightforward method that avoids complex steps, ensuring you can jump into the game quickly. This guide is designed to be simple and effective, so you can enjoy the unique atmosphere of Alpha 1 without any hassle. Let's get started. The first step is finding the game files. You'll want to search for Hello Neighbor Alpha 1 download on a reputable gaming archive site. Always double-check that the source is trustworthy to avoid any unwanted software. Once you find a good link, click to download the game package. It's usually a single file, often compressed, and typically around 1.5 gigabytes in size. This should only take a few minutes on a decent internet connection. After downloading, you'll likely have a compressed file. Use a program like 7-Zip or WinRAR to extract its contents into a new folder. Inside, you'll find the game's executable file. Double-click this to begin the installation. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, choosing your preferred installation directory. Once installed, you can launch Hello Neighbor Alpha 1 directly from the desktop shortcut, or by navigating to the game's folder and running the main executable. It's that simple. Now that you have Alpha 1 running, take some time to explore its unique features. This early version has distinct elements not found in later releases. If you encounter any performance issues, try adjusting the graphics settings down to medium or low. Remember, this is an older build, so saving your game frequently is a good practice. Have fun uncovering all the secrets and experiencing the original vision of Hello Neighbor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.